up, YouTube, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Click that subscribe button. And today, I'm just going to be trolling, trying to get a boyfriend. Yes, a boyfriend. Because as you heard in my second video, I like to be single. So yeah, we are going to test that out. Let's change that to recording for YouTube. Let's change my animation. I'm in love with this animation I just bought, actually. I have no, yeah, it's right here. Wait, so it's hairspray. Hairspray, lipstick, bunches of lipstick, and then subscribe. So I hope you are doing what my animation just told you to do, and let's go to some VIP chat rooms. How odd are you? You look nice. You wouldn't be my friend if you weren't. Yeah, that gave her like, I don't even know how much my autos give anymore. I don't even know that. Hold on, let me look at my messages. I've given you, I give 80. Okay, that was on my fame booster week. I gave her 2 and 1, and I don't know how I did it. But oh my god, this is glitch factor, bro. Let's just go to my chat room. Why did I go to the mall? I just said, literally just said, I was gonna go to a VIP chat room. Thanks, brain. Gonna load lag factor again. One more time, I'm gay. Chicken. Oh my god. I'm just gonna leave. I feel awkward now that he admitted that. Okay, mostly girls so far. Girl, weird boy. Not gonna even ask. Let's go to Bollywood. Ooh, he's kind of cute. There's like 2 people looking exactly the same. I'm gonna ask whichever one has longer VIP. Okay, he's a celeb. Okay, so he's had VIP before. Okay, well I'm gonna friend. Oh, he's taken. I don't think he was taken. I didn't really pay attention to that on him. He is not. Okay, I'm gonna be something. Okay, what if he's like, oh, what a girl cute. Yeah, 100%. I'm only gonna go to like 3 more chat rooms. I might go to the mall. Yeah, he's not accepting those. I'm gonna walk out of that. What does he look? Oh, there's 2 people standing right there. I feel stupid. Are there any people over here? Like, no, who is over here legitly though? Weird. Weird. Okay. Let's go. No, let's go to. Oh. I'm going to throw out an interesting fact of me. I'll do this every video. I am a part of the Low Gang. Not the Jake Ballers, the Low Gang. Comment if you are in the Low Gang as well. Yes, comment. Okay, there's like no boys here. I'm going to the mall. Forget that. Let's go to the mall. Next, I'm going to the pet park and I'm done. Let's just ask one of my friends. I think I asked a guy to be a best friend. He never said anything. Oh, he has a girlfriend. Screw her. This will be interesting. If I go crazy, will you still love me? Looks like you're in a straight jacket. He needs to buy a straight jacket with that animation, bro. I bet you $1 million is gonna say no, because he has a girlfriend already. Shaky, 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 shaky. Ooh, ooh. Let's ask him, because he is definitely cute. Only a level 11. I got my goat. Nay. Look, she did the laugh thing. Oh, I'm so bored right now. Did you see what that girl just did? Let's do it. Make it red. Because that's cool. Okay, are you ready for this? Moment of truth. What's he gonna say? I'm nervous. I'm not nervous. I'm just like shaking. Is that a sign of nervousness? I don't know. Okay, that is all for this YouTube video. And if he says yes, I will start recording and add this clip on right before I cut out all of the scenes I don't want in here. And, I've only asked once. What? I've asked once. But let's leave that alone. Let's get back to my outro. Bye. I will be probably posting another one tomorrow. Deuces.